This or this? This or this?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will be working on a M3 CS again. We're going to do a quick mod, an additional quick mod to this. I know we did an earlier mod that's about $12 to do. We are doing another one today, fairly inexpensive, but it practically brings out the interior of the car a little bit. This is specifically on the lighting side. So, you know, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. The description and where to get the modification is linked below. This cost me roughly about $65, give or take, and it's fairly easy install. I have 90% of the installations already done, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like, how to quickly put it in, and then of course, you know, the end result of what the lighting looks like. Okay, so essentially this is the light plastic strip that we will be using to modify, or at least, you know, enhance the interior ambient light of the car. This fits, say, an F30, F80 as well, so any of the F series should work. It comes with 4 plastic strips like this, 2 short and 2 long. 2 long ones are in the front, 2 shorts are in the rear. And this practically brings out the ambient light of your car a little bit better. So to quickly put this in, there's an indentation of the strip ready to go already. So all you have to do is practically slip the long side of the strip against the door, and then slip all the way up, and then you can use your finger to guide it all the way through from the left to the right where the lights are. So these are the lights right here. You can barely see it as part of the stock, but once I put this in, you'll be able to see the quick, you know, enhancement of the light strip. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so as you can see how quickly I was able to put that in. Now you see how quick of a enhancement this is, and how much of a change interior of the car it will be once you have the ambient light turned on. Okay, now that we got the light strip on, as you can see how big of a difference this is. Just by having this 4-piece of plastic makes a huge difference. That's the front, and here's the rear. Okay, so there you have it. Quick modification, $65. Get it on Amazon, or you can probably source it on AliExpress as well, but you're gonna have to wait about 3 weeks for it to be delivered. On AliExpress it's between $20 to $50 depending on who you buy it from, but it's fairly cheap, just a piece of plastic. But again, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe, put comments below, and if there's modifications that you want me to work on specifically for this F80, feel free to let me know. There's a couple of stuff that we have in the pipeline to come down to start building out the F80 here. But again, thanks a lot for watching.